It's Canada. Oh. Canada. They have their syrup. Mother.
Canada, eh?
They're hogging all the syrup.
Are they?
They won't give me any of the syrup, mother.
Whoa!
They almost got hit by a frisbee.
Sorry. That's alright.
It's good.
The wind is against us. It doesn't like us, I don't think.
We've almost gotten hit so many times. No, I knocked down Candy. He fell down. What's a boat? You just want to steal my sweatshirt. You were perfectly fine until Mom mentioned something.
I told you you'd bring your sweater.
But yeah, guys, I'm making a video. I've been doing it all day long since we got here. Well, I got here yesterday, obviously. But basically all day today I've been filming this Firework Freddy video. Yes. Angel and Stitch are here too.
Yeah.
So let's see your
Trick
mouth.
is going to be trying to remember how to get back to David's parents' house.
Yeah.
In the dark, where I don't drive. Because another thing that he didn't think about is that I don't drive at night. He's gonna let me. Unless he shows up here. I'm going to chew his ass later. And then tell him I love him all at the same time.
Oh, for
No, they do not care. Have you ever gone to Playwood?
I want to ask you guys a question.
Again!
It's the wind.
Yeah, blame it on the wind. Oh my God, that's something you can't blame on the wind.
Everybody knows it.
Oh yeah.
Maybe she thinks you're cute.
I just saw something.
The baby she thinks you're cute.
It
That's why she keeps throwing the frisbee at you.
It was like that.
That time it almost hit you, Mom. I don't know what you're talking about.